Guys, another adventure sa another beach. Ito po yung beach sa south of France naman din, pero sa other side. 1 hour yung tinravel namin from the other beach na pinuntahan namin. So look at this. Wow, diba? Nakakita si Coffee ng friendship. Di ba? Another day in our life. Ito sa beach. Yan mo si Coffee. My friend na si Coffee. Wow, Coffee! A new friend! Ayaw ni Coffee, hindi niya type. It's a Jack Russell dog. Hello you. Hi. Hi. Hello. How are you? Uy. It's so windy. Guys, sa dulo may mga buildings. Mahangin talaga. Hi guys, good afternoon from France. So nandito kami ngayon sa south of France at walang naliligo sa dagat because it's very cold and windy. So, ayan, kami lang ni Coffee. Lakad-lakad lang. So, may mga dogs din. Yung mga boats doon, naka-parking. Guys, wala ni isa ang